Hi dear students, in this class we will learn a supplementary lesson from 5th standard English book, Term 1, Unit 1, Supplementary Lost in Space. Children, I guess you must have watched programs about Doraemon, Nobita and their friends Sunio, Suzuka and Jion. You would have watched programs like Nobita's Space Heroes and Doraemon's movie Little Space War in TV. We find them traveling or flying over the clouds with Doraemon's bamboo-copter flying device. And they also fly to other planets using Doraemon's device, Universal Spaceship. One such imaginative story we are going to learn in supplementary. Lost in Space. Before going into the story, let us learn about space shuttle, spacecraft and rocket. Learning about the space shuttle, spacecraft and rockets will help us understand our lesson better. Okay, what is a space shuttle? A space shuttle is rocket launch spacecraft able to land like an unpowered aircraft. It is used to make repeated journeys between the Earth and space. Space shuttle is a multi-use vehicle. A space shuttle could carry up to 7 astronauts at a time. It took satellites to space so they could orbit this Earth. The shuttle also carried large parts into space to build the International Space Station. Then what is spacecraft? A spacecraft is a machine or vehicle designed to fly into outer space. They are used for variety of purposes like communication, Earth observation, navigation, transportation of humans and cargo. Spacecraft that orbits Earth is called satellite. Aluminium and aluminium composite materials are used on spacecraft. It has titanium alloys and thermal protection tiles. But a rocket refers to a single-use launch vehicle. Rockets do not return to Earth after the launch. Children, we have so far learned about spacecraft, space shuttle and rockets. You shouldn't get confused with all this. Here in this lesson, the boys Amudan and Nilavan used or travelled in space shuttle. Children, if you travel in space shuttle or spacecraft, how do you call yourself? Okay, let me tell you. Men and women who fly in American spacecraft are known as astronauts. Flying in Russian spacecrafts are cosmonauts. Those who fly in Chinese are taikonauts. And flying in Indian spacecrafts, the Indians are vyomanauts. Here in this supplementary story, we read about two brothers, Amudan and Nilavan. One day, the two brothers Amudan and Nilavan visited the Space Museum. As we know already, museum is a building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic or cultural objects are stored and exhibited. Actually, museums are classified into 5 basic types. They are number 1 general, number 2 natural history and natural science, number 3 science and technology, number 4 history and 5 art. Okay, what is the purpose of museums? The purpose of modern museums is to collect, preserve, interpret and display objects of artistic, cultural or scientific significance for the education of the public. These museums help to preserve and promote our cultural heritage. They are a storehouse of old artifacts, sculptures, objects, history, etc. One day, Amudan and Nilavan visited the Space Museum and a model of a space shuttle. Nilavan opened the shuttle and they entered and got trapped inside the shuttle. Then they walked into the deck not knowing what to do or how to open the door and come out of the shuttle. The two brothers found many switches. Amudan pressed the green switch expecting the door to open, but the space shuttle stuttered and burst into outer space. Then Amudan apologized or asked sorry to his brother for hitting the wrong button. The space shuttle with Amudan and Nilavan inside went through a belt of asteroids. A belt of asteroids is a region of the solar system between the orbits of the planets Mars and Jupiter. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt. Now, Nilavan called Amudan to turn the shuttle because he is able to see an asteroid coming towards the shuttle. Amudan, not knowing how to turn the shuttle, just tried to pull the lever, and soon the shuttle crashed, landed on a new planet. Nilavan asked Amudan if he was alright, and Amudan replied that he was fine and instructed him to wear space suit. They started looking for their suits. Meanwhile, Nilavan observed green lights coming towards their shuttle from the very big shuttle like theirs. Then aliens came from the very big shuttle and broke open the brother's shuttle and took them out. One of the aliens asked Amudan and Nilavan not to be worried, that there was a problem with their shuttle and the aliens offered to fix it for them. Aliens means a hypothetical or fictional being from another world or coming from or existing outside the planet Earth. Nilavan wondered how the aliens are speaking their language, but alien replied that they could read their mind and use that to speak their language. Then the aliens provided Amudan and Nilavan a special room to take rest, and they also provided food capsules to eat. By the time Amudan and Nilavan took rest, the aliens fixed their space shuttle, and another alien woke them up saying that their ship was ready and it was time to go home. Home means to Earth. Amudan thanked the aliens for their timely help and asked them if they were willing to come to Earth. But aliens replied that when time comes, they would see them. Dear students, let us summarize the lesson in few words. One day, Amudan and Nilavan visited a space museum, and without knowing, they opened the door and got trapped inside the space shuttle. Not knowing how to go outside, Amudan hit the green button to open the door, but the space shuttle started flying over the earth and it flew through the belt of asteroids. Seeing an asteroid coming towards them, Nilavan told Amudan to turn the space shuttle. When Amudan tried to pull the lever, the space shuttle landed immediately in an unknown or new planet, where the aliens offered the two brothers Amudan and Nilavan with room to rest and food capsules to eat. And the aliens also repaired or fixed the space shuttle of Amudan and Nilavan's to get back to Earth, that is their home. So dear children, read the lesson many times to understand fully and better. Study well, happy learning. Thank you.